I'm not vegan or vegetarian. Why am I iron deficient? I eat meat all the time. Your periods might be the answer. Good day, I'm Dr. Tia, and today we're talking heavy periods, menorrhagia. Anytime you're having your periods and you're having large clots and flooding, which is when you stand up, there's a gush, you might be bleeding more than is necessary. Heck, having a period might be unnecessary unless you're trying to have a baby. But that is a story for another time. Periods should not involve gushing, flooding, clots, requiring maternity pads, changing your pad or tampon every hour, having increased period pain, using maternity pads for bedtime. These are all features suggesting that the heaviness of your period is a bit much, and therefore you're probably losing a lot more iron than you're able to absorb from all your diet. How we manage this is to reduce the amount of bleeding you have at any period. That might involve tranexamic acid and Ponstan, which are only taken episodically at time of period, day 1 to 4, which tend to be your heaviest days. You can also start the oral contraceptive pill, not only to reduce the amount of bleeding, but to reduce periods altogether. The best solution is a mirena, because with that IUD, 60% of patients might not have any bleeding at all. And unless you're trying to have a baby, a period is a wasted resource telling you, FYI, this memo says you did not fall pregnant last month. It's wasteful because it wastes your iron resources and all those things. So we manage by increasing your iron intake. That is your red meat, dark green veggies, and vitamin C. Hopefully not paired with any calcium or coffee, because those make the iron absorption pretty poor. And then reducing your bleeding, whether that is reducing the amount of bleeding, the frequency of bleeding, or stopping you bleeding overall. And we can investigate the reasons why people have heavy periods, fibroids, adenomyosis, etc. But often, managing with those solutions, reducing your periods, increasing your iron, is adequate for most people to not become iron deficient. Hope that helps. Till next time.